Om Shanti. Come, 1 minute silence. Sit back, comfortable. We are not now getting into the practice. It becomes easier day by day. Right? First day, little tough. Second day, better. Third day, easy. After that, very, very easy. Very easy. Relax. Just look at your thoughts. Just check what flows. Anything that happened during the day, not important right now. Let go. One thought. I am a powerful being. मैं शक्तिशाली आत्मा हूँ. I have the choice how to create my life. Pain or happiness, I have the choice. And I choose stability. It's possible. It's easy. It's natural. Okay, how's the day been? How was the day? Homework was okay? How many tried the homework today? Stable during the day? How many tried? Good. Possible? Possible? कोई मुश्किल नहीं? अब होमवर्क आज खत्म होगा या चलता जाएगा? हाँ? Applying this, just today I have met so many parents and it was so beautiful to meet them who said, कल से हमने अपने बच्चों को गुस्सा नहीं किया. And I said, bless the parents and bless the children. So lovely, it is so easy. And yet we had made it our habit. इस बात पर गुस्सा, इस बात पर गुस्सा, इस बात पर डांटना. And suddenly when we tried, it became so easy. All that we had to do was keep attention and remember. And what was very beautiful, what I saw was, I met many parents in yesterday and today who were seeing and they realized that what we were doing was damaging the child. Eyes have opened, realization done. Solution? So simple. Very simple. Important is only awareness. कि इसमें बच्चे का फायदा नहीं, बच्चे का क्या हो रहा है? नुकसान हो रहा है. मेरा भी नुकसान हो रहा है. And I have realized it before the damage is very, very bad. And I start working on it. Many people asked a question in the question box saying, if God does everything, if God is going to decide everything that's happening in my life, then where I have the choice? No? Where do I have the choice? If God is going to decide there are going to be problems in my life, where do I have the choice? How do I have the power to create my destiny? God decides what's happening in my life. बचपन से हम सुनते आए कि भगवान डिसाइड करता है हर चीज जो हो रहा है. जो कुछ होता है किसकी मर्जी से? किसकी मर्जी से? भगवान की मर्जी से. राइट? Do you all feel this? जो कुछ हो रहा है वो भगवान की मर्जी से हो रहा है? Yes? Okay. Sister, if you were given the power for one day to write the destiny of all these people, what kind of destiny would you write for everyone? Happiness. Perfect life? No, perfect in the sense, perfect here, no? Everything smooth. Would you write for one of them that their business should crash? Would you write a destiny for someone their business should collapse? Will you write a destiny for someone here that they'll fall ill? Would you write a destiny for some parent that their children or their child might leave the body at a very young age? No, right? Suppose you don't like someone over here. आपका थोड़ा उनसे रिश्ता ठीक नहीं है. And you're given the power to write their destiny. Will you still write something like that? You don't like them too much. You still won't write anything. Irrespective of whoever is here, what kind of destiny you will write for them?
Always happiness.
Always happiness. Yeah. And if you were given the choice to write the destiny of your children, what kind of destiny?
It's nothing, it's happiness is ultimate.
In every minute.
Yeah.
God is my father. Right? God, first of all, so He is God, so He is perfect. Second, He is my father. Now we think He writes each one's destiny. I, the human being, who's not very perfect, I have my share of good and bad qualities, but yet if I were to write the destiny of people, what kind of destiny I would write? Perfect. And He, the supreme power, perfect, my parent, when He writes the destiny for us, He is writing like these kind of destinies. ऐसा destiny लिखता है वो. So much pain we are having today. किसी को कैंसर है, किसी को डिप्रेशन है, किसी के घर में एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है, किसी के घर में डिवोर्स हो रहा है, किसी के घर में बच्चा पैदा हो रहा है जो पैदा होते ही मेंटली या फिजिकली बिल्कुल फिट नहीं है, किसी के रिश्ते टूट रहे हैं, किसी का बिजनेस गिर रहा है, किसी के घर में अनटाइमली डेथ हो रही है. He is writing all this. What kind of a parent is He? Is He writing all this? Do you really think God could write this kind of destiny for us? If God was actually writing our destiny, what kind of destiny would He write? What kind of destiny would He write? What kind of destiny would you write for your children? चाहे आपका बच्चा कितना भी गलत काम करता है, बिगड़ा हुआ है, मस्ती करता है, सुनता नहीं है कहना, फिर भी if you had to write his destiny, what kind of destiny would you write? Ben, sister, Dharmishta. Oh wow, she's not listening to me. Dharmishta Ben, volume. What kind of destiny would you write for your children? Even अगर वो बच्चे डिसिप्लिन्ड नहीं हैं, कहना नहीं मानते, रोज गलती करते हैं, what kind of destiny would you write for them? Perfect. What kind of destiny would He write for us? What kind of destiny would God write for us if He is writing the destiny? What kind of destiny is this that we are having today? You really think He sits up there and decides, इसके साथ ये problem, इसके साथ ये problem? I to feel He's giving problems to everyone nowadays. Can't come across a single family who's absolutely perfect. He is writing the destiny. How fair is it? It's just that we got into the habit that whatever is happening with us, and however we were feeling, we needed someone to point the finger. I am angry because of you. I am upset because of you. This happened in my life because of you. And when I didn't know anywhere where to point the finger, all this is happening because of you. Simple. Because वो तो अपनी तरफ से बता भी नहीं सक रहा ना कुछ, तो हम सारा ब्लेम किस पर डाल रहे हैं? भगवान की वजह से, भगवान की वजह से, भगवान की वजह से. और भगवान पर ब्लेम डालते 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 उसके साथ हम नाराज भी होने लग गए. There are many people today who are angry with God. Obviously, if He's writing my destiny and look at my life, obviously I'll get angry with the one who wrote that destiny. So they're angry with God. And so they spoil their relationship. They say, हम भगवान में मानते ही नहीं. ये ऐसा कैसा भगवान है? उठाकर मंदिर अपने घर से उठाकर फेंक देते हैं गुस्से में. We don't believe in God. I don't like God. क्यों? क्योंकि भगवान ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया. This is what is fixed. भगवान ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया. think about it today. जो कुछ हमारे साथ हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छा भी और थोड़ा सा नॉट अच्छा भी, वो सारा किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? वो सारा किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? Then why are we pointing the finger there? Because the minute I point the finger there, I do nothing to change the situation. I just say, भगवान ने किया, भगवान की मर्जी, जब उसको ठीक करना होगा वो ठीक करेगा. एंड हर रोज उसके सामने खड़े होते हैं, प्रॉब्लम ठीक कर दो, प्रॉब्लम ठीक कर दो, मेरी प्रॉब्लम ठीक कर दो. प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट किसने की थी? प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट किसने की थी? किसने की थी? हमने. ठीक कौन करेगा? ठीक कौन करेगा? हम करेंगे. We'll see what is his role. But at least let's stop blaming him and let's start taking personal responsibility for every action that we perform and obviously every return of the action that we perform. Everyone has heard that to every action we'll get a result. सबने सुना बचपन से कि जो हम कर्म करेंगे उसका रिजल्ट मिलेगा. तो फिर वो बीच में कहाँ से आया? उसको ब्लेम करना शुरू किया. जो भी रिजल्ट हमें मिल रहा है वो किसने किया था? वो किसने किया था? हमने किया था. फिर भाग्य क्या है? What is destiny then? What is luck? कई बार हम कहते हैं मेरा लक खराब है, मेरा भाग्य ही अच्छा नहीं है. What is luck? What is destiny then? Is there anything known as destiny? Is there anything known as luck? वो बहुत लकी है, उसके साथ सब कुछ अच्छा होता है, मेरी तो बैड लक. एंड ये बोलकर रुक जाते हैं. जब मेरी लक ठीक होगी अपने आप सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Let's try and understand. Let's open up this thing today. And let's clean all the myths and the illusions we've carried so that we'll be able to face every situation right on. Right? Every thought I create, every thought and obviously then word and action, but every thought I create is energy, vibration. When it flows out, whether it's thought energy, whether it's word energy, and then of course action, I will say, this is my karma. This is what I am creating, energy. The way I talk to you now is my karma. But let's say, for example, I'm talking to you very sweetly. Sister, you're a very nice person. I love meeting you. And inside, I hate you. So, which karma now? Which karma finally at the end of the day, if you're putting it in your balance sheet, which side will you put it, credit or debit? But I spoke to her very nicely. I spoke to her very nicely. Majority people today are saying, in my lifetime, I have not done anything wrong. They're very confident. They're very confident. We all are confident because everything we do, we think we are right, even if we are making mistakes. But what are we saying? In my lifetime, मैंने कभी किसी के साथ गलत नहीं किया है, तो फिर मेरे साथ भगवान गलत क्यों कर रहा है? तो पहली बात भगवान कर रहा है, वो ऑप्शन साइड पे रखते हैं. अब दूसरा वाला ऑप्शन एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. मैंने कभी गलत नहीं किया है, मेरे साथ गलत हो क्यों रहा है? भगवान तो नहीं कर रहा, वो कर रहा होता तो वो गलत को भी सही कर देता, लेकिन मेरे साथ गलत हो क्यों रहा है? लेट्स सी दिस सो दैट दीज क्वेश्चंस विल स्टॉप. मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों? दिस नीड्स टू स्टॉप. तब वी विल स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट सॉल्यूशंस. नाउ यू गिव मी द आंसर. I speak to this sister very nicely. I always do very nice things for her, but inside I am not very nice about her in my thoughts. Which karma? Which karma? Which side you will put it? Loudly, because we are deciding our balance sheet. You know, when we used to prepare balance sheet, the most important thing is to be careful कि ट्रांजैक्शन को कौन सी साइड पर लिखना है. गलती से इधर की जगह उधर लिख दिया तो पूरी बैलेंस शीट. सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग विद अस. If I sit in the night to check my balance sheet of my karmic accounts, I said, morning I met this sister, I spoke very nicely to her, good karma. I don't check the way I was thinking about her. Not only when I was talking to her, but otherwise also how do I keep thinking about her the whole day? Every time if it is on my mind, she's like this only, ये तो है ही गुस्से वाली, इसकी वजह से मेरी लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है, इसी की वजह से सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आ. What quality thoughts? But I have always checked my karma at the level of words and actions, never at the level of thoughts. And that's why we thought, मैंने कभी किसी के लिए गलत नहीं किया, right, नहीं किया. मैंने कभी किसी से गलत बात भी नहीं किया. क्या हमने कभी किसी के लिए थोड़ा सा गलत सोचा? Yes. Now we know where the karma is getting created. And गलत सोचना मतलब ये नहीं इसका बुरा हो जाए, लेकिन नेगेटिव भी सोचना, चिंता भी करना. Yesterday we saw what quality energy? Negative. So if I'm sending out negative energy, what energy will come back? Negative. You're not sending it to me, but it's my karmic account that if I send negative out, I am going to get negative back. Let's be very careful in our life. Every thought we create is like an arrow. Out. सारा दिन चल रहा है. 25 to 30 thoughts per minute. So 25 arrows going out in 1 minute. And every arrow will come back. I know that now. I've understood. I can see it coming back. Yes, I created this pain. Now this pain is there. Now when I send it out, when the arrow is going out, it's called karma. And when the arrow is coming back, it will be called? What would it be called? जो हम कर रहे हैं उसको हम कर्म कहते हैं. जो हमारे साथ होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? भाग्य. The way I talk to you, I'll say karma. Now the way you talk to me, I'll say my bhagya. वो मेरे से अच्छी तरह से बात ही नहीं करती, मेरा भाग्य ही नहीं है. My mother-in-law just doesn't treat me nicely. My bhagya अच्छा नहीं. But my mother-in-law talking to me is only a return of something that I have sent out. Nothing is happening on its own. Everything is very, very accurate. All the energy that I have sent out is coming back. Now, the simplest thing I can do to make things easy for myself, that when it is coming back, let me not question mark. ये ऐसा क्यों, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों, सबके साथ ठीक हो रहा है, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया था. Full stop. Full stop to the question mark. And now, अब मुझे क्या करना है? But most of the energy, most of the stress is getting created because of this waste thought, जिसको हम कहते हैं पर चिंतन. मेरा ही बच्चा ऐसा क्यों, मेरा ही पति ऐसा क्यों, मेरे ही बिजनेस में प्रॉब्लम क्यों, सबका बिजनेस ठीक चल रहा है, मेरी ही हेल्थ खराब क्यों, सब आसपास ठीक है, मेरी मदर इन लॉ ऐसी क्यों, उसकी मदर इन लॉ देखो कितनी अच्छी है. क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन. एंड जितने ऐसे थॉट्स क्रिएट करेंगे, कौन सा कर्मा क्रिएट हो रहा है? कौन सा कर्मा क्रिएट हो रहा है? ऑलरेडी देयर वाज अ नेगेटिव कार्मिक अकाउंट, एंड नाउ बाय क्रिएटिंग दीज काइंड ऑफ थॉट्स, वी आर, what are we doing to the account? We are strengthening it more and more and more negative. So first thing, karma is beginning at the level of my thoughts and feelings. Just talking nicely to people, behaving nicely to people will not be enough if you want to create pure, positive, elevated karma. We will need to now start thinking and feeling nice about every situation, about every person. So one is at that level. And second, to remember that when I'm creating it, it is karma. Now when it is coming back, it is destiny. So who is creating the destiny? Who's creating the destiny? I myself. Now what's God's role then in this? तो फिर भगवान क्या करेगा? अगर कर भी मैं ही रही हूँ, भोगना भी मुझे ही है, तो then what is his role in that? You're a parent. आप आज रात को घर पे अपने बच्चे के साथ बैठते हैं, कहते होमवर्क करो. So what's your role? To guide your child to do his homework. आप उसका होमवर्क करते नहीं हैं, आप उसको बोलते हैं होमवर्क करो, मैं सिखाता हूँ, बैठकर होमवर्क करो. फाइनली होमवर्क करना या नहीं करना किसकी चॉइस रहेगी? बच्चे की. ठीक है. सपोज बाय चांस द चाइल्ड डिसाइड्स मुझे नहीं करना होमवर्क, एंड टुमारो ही गोज टू स्कूल विदाउट डूइंग हिज होमवर्क, एंड द टीचर punishes him. Can you go and stand in between? Okay, do not punish my child. Can you change his punishment for him? No. Where was your role till? Guiding him to do the homework. After that, he decided not to do the homework. So whatever consequence is going to face for it, who will have to face for it? He will have to face. God's role, giving me knowledge what is right karma, giving me the power and the love to do the right karma. Today many people are saying हम सच बोलना चाहते हैं लेकिन पॉसिबल नहीं है, शांत रहना चाहते हैं लेकिन पॉसिबल नहीं है. क्यों? ताकत नहीं है. तो God's role first to teach me what is right karma, and then to give me so much unconditional love and power that I get the power to create right karma. But finally the choice to create the karma will be mine. Now if I have created a little teda meda karma, so when that punishment comes to me, can I tell him इस problem को ठीक कर दो? Can I do that? Can I do that? And if I do that, will he just intervene in between and change my karmic account? Should he do that? Should he do that? अगर बच्चा रोज गलती करे और रोज टीचर जब पनिश करने लगे पेरेंट आकर बीच में खड़ा हो जाए, प्लीज आज मेरे बच्चे को छोड़ दो. अच्छा, टीचर बोले चल एक बार छोड़ दिया, नेक्स्ट डे बच्चा कहे चलो पनिशमेंट तो वैसे भी मिलनी नहीं है, मेरी मम्मी तो पहुंच ही जाती है उस टाइम बचाने के लिए. सो बच्चे की स्थिति कैसी होती जाएगी? अच्छे होने की बजाय और भी the child will become weaker. God does not intervene in our karmic account because it's my settlement of the karmic account. Now what's God's role when that situation is coming? First his role was in guiding me in how to do the karma. But there are some karmas which we've already done. ठीक है, आज से हमने सीख लिया, we're not going to do wrong karma, because we're going to connect to him, become powerful and be careful. But what about all that which we have already done? उसका consequence तो आने ही वाला है और आ ही रहा है, हम रोज देख रहे हैं अपने जीवन में. तो जब वो consequence मेरे सामने आता है, परिस्थिति, situations are coming before me, my destiny, what's God's role? What is God's role now? What would his role be? Yes? What would his role be? Problem आ रही है मेरे सामने. What would God's role be now in my life? हाँ जी? Change the problem? No. Then? Huh? Guide me properly. Give me the power and the love to face the problem, not change the problem. तो ये जो हम रोज भगवान के सामने खड़े होते हैं, मेरी प्रॉब्लम ठीक कर दो, मेरी प्रॉब्लम ठीक कर दो, नहीं, वो नहीं होगा. Because that problem is meant to come, it's my karmic account. But now through meditation, I connect to the supreme power, get the power, remain stable in that situation, and by remaining stable, I have settled the karmic account. I have settled the karmic account by taking his love and power. वो भी मांगना नहीं, मेरे को शक्ति दे दो, मेरे को शक्ति दो, मेरे को शांति दो. No, he is my father. तो पिता से ऐसे मांगना नहीं, पिता से तो continuously लेते जाते हैं. So God's role has to be very clear in our life. Otherwise we're just asking, ye theek kar do, ye theek kar do, ye de do, wo de do. It won't work like that. Even everything that's good that's happening in our life is also a result of our good karma. It's not everything is negative. We've done so much pure good karma. So even that is coming today. So when that also comes, it's a result of my karma. So when something nice happens, thank you. When something not so pleasant, take the power, face the situation. Not just stand there, please change my situation, please change my situation. And फिर उससे गुस्सा हो गए, वो he is not changing the situation, तो उससे ही रिश्ता तोड़ देते हैं. At a time when we need to connect to him the most, we tend to move away. Don't you think so? And anyways, when we are in distress, we will not be able to connect to him because वो यहाँ इतना दर्द है. तो याद करने बैठते भी हैं तो क्या कहेंगे, मन भटकता है क्योंकि रिश्ता पहले से नहीं जोड़ कर रखा है. So God's role guiding me, giving me the knowledge and the power to do good karma, and for my past karma when the consequences come, God's role is to give me power and love to face the situation. One is कि भगवान ने situation change कर दी, and the other is मेरे को ताकत दी कि मैंने situation face कर दी. Which is a better option? Which is the better option? Every time I get the power and I face the situation, I am going to come out. I am going to come out stronger and stronger. Parents' role is to make the child stronger. That's the good parent. Not parent जो बोले बच्चे को अच्छा तू सो जा मैं तेरा homework कर देता हूँ. God is not going to do anything which is not good for us. So He's not going to say ठीक है तुम्हारा कर्मा मैं ठीक कर देता हूँ तुम्हारे लिए. No, तुम्हें ताकत देता है कि हम शक्तिशाली बने ताकि वो कार्मिक अकाउंट भी सेटल कर दे और आगे कोई भी ऐसा कर्मा हम नहीं क्रिएट करे. So now let's remember, when we are talking to Him, in our meditation, in our prayers, how should the conversation be? Not begging every time, not asking every time, just taking power and change. Now, how do I understand? Some people say, like I met this lady and she lost her 2-year-old child. And she had come to the center before, so she knew law of karma, how it works. So she said, I hate God. Directly, she said, I hate God. मेरा बच्चा ले लिया, 2 साल का बच्चा ले लिया. So I said, बहन, you know ना, भगवान ने नहीं लिया. It is our karma. She said very strongly. She said, मैंने कोई ऐसा गलत इतना बड़ा कर्म किया ही नहीं जो मेरे साथ ऐसा होगा. आजकल कई बार हमारे साथ इतनी बड़ी बातें हो रही हैं कि हमने इतना कुछ गलत कर्म नहीं किया था. So we become difficult to understand why is this happening to us. Now this happened because of the illusion which we saw on the first day. अभी तक हम सोचते थे मैं कौन, body. Life कितनी? Day 1 to now. So 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, whatever. So when we checked our karmic account, how much did we check? 30 years, 40 years. ये 40 years में I have not done anything wrong. इतना बड़ा कुछ नहीं किया जो मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है. Now I understand, who am I? Who am I? Not this body. I am this pure conscient energy. I am the soul. What's the age of the soul? Come on, what's the age of the soul we saw this morning? Eternal. So now if I have to check my khata, my balance sheet, तो कितने साल का देखना पड़ेगा? कितने साल का देखना पड़ेगा? Because I am doing the karma, not my body is doing the karma. If this hand was doing the karma, तो फिर इतने ही lifetime में अगर ये हाथ अच्छा करे तो ये हाथ को अच्छा मिले. But who's doing the karma? I am doing the karma. Brother, today you're wearing a maroon color shirt, okay? And you borrow 1,000 rupees from me. You forgot to bring your wallet. So I give you 1,000 rupees. He leaves. Tomorrow he comes back, he's wearing a white color shirt. Should I take my 1,000 rupees back or no? Should I take my 1,000 rupees back from him or no? Huh? I have to take, no? But costume badal gaya. Costume badal gaya. Should I take my 1,000 rupees back from you or no? Yeah. So agar ye costume bhi badal gaya and you had taken 1,000 rupees from me 100 years back, should I come back now and take my 1,000 rupees or no? Should I or should I not? You took the 1,000 rupees, not this costume, not this costume. Who took the 1,000 rupees? 1,000 rupees means any karma. Any karma. Who did it? This. Costume changed. Your costume also changed. My costume also changed. But here the account is pending. And there I am going to come into your life and take the 1,000 rupees from you and go. And you will say, ये मेरे साथ 1,000 रुपए का नुकसान क्यों हो गया? नुकसान नहीं हुआ, देना भूल गए थे पिछली बार. इसको नुकसान नहीं कहेंगे, कर्जा चुकतू हो गया. You should be happy or sad? कर्जा चुकतू हुआ, कर्जा लेकर चल रहे थे. Nothing is happening automatic. Nothing is happening automatic. It is very, very, very well arranged. Every soul, husband and wife, daughter-in-law, mother-in-law, the most powerful karmic accounts. Yes. Which soul will become your mother-in-law? Or today I would say, which soul will become your daughter-in-law? That soul whom you have sometime given lot of. Yes, it's only going to happen. There is no other logic otherwise. There is no reason someone can come into my life, give me pain and just walk out. I have not done anything for that to happen. But if I have given that soul pain, then that soul is now going to come, give me pain and walk out. And now it's up to me how to face the situation, whether to settle the karmic account or whether to create another karmic account. You know, they say husband wife का रिश्ता कितने टाइम चलता है? वो इसीलिए चलता है. So if you don't want to carry it forward, close the account. Yes. If today also you keep fighting with your mother-in-law, be rest assured, next birth she'll become your daughter-in-law and come. But she will come. Trouble people today, they will come. They will come, and when they will come, we say, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों? कर्जा है, लेन देन चल रहा है, चुकतू तो करना ही है. अब चॉइस है, प्यार से चुकतू करो या फिर रो रो के चुकतू करो. जितना रो रो के चुकतू करेंगे, हिसाब किताब और भी बढ़ता जाएगा. Look at any situation, any, chota ya bada. Let's say this brother comes to me now and just says something rude to me. He said something rude to me right now. Three things are happening at the same time. He says something rude to me right now. I understand. It's my account with him. Okay? It's my past. It's coming. Now how I will respond will be my present. Right? So if he is rude to me now, it's the past. But if I also react and shout back now, what kind of present am I creating? Negative. And so what will my future be? Negative. At every moment, teen kaal kaam kar rahe hai. Past, present, future. Every situation, past, present, future, past, present, future, automatic machine going on. Now if he comes and he is rude to me, past. Now if I remain stable with God's power, with meditation, I have learned overcome, accept, remain stable. Let him do and say what he's saying. I'll take care of myself, not get upset. And now if I remain stable, what karma am I creating? What karma am I creating? Positive. How will my future be? Positive. It's an investment which is 100% guaranteed. Today majority people have one insecurity. Future में क्या होगा? सोचने से क्या होने वाला है वैसे भी कि फ्यूचर में क्या होगा? एनीथिंग पॉसिबल? सोच सोच के फ्यूचर में क्या होगा, फ्यूचर में क्या होगा? ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट फोकस ऑन अभी क्या कर रहे हैं. अगर मेरा प्रेजेंट कर्मा इज पॉजिटिव, फ्यूचर में क्या होगा सोचने की जरूरत पड़ेगी? जरूरत पड़ेगी. आज अच्छा बीज डालेंगे तो सोचने की जरूरत है कि इसमें से अच्छा पौधा निकलेगा या नहीं निकलेगा? नहीं. आप अच्छा बीज डालो, फूल जाओ. अच्छा बीज डाला मतलब उसमें से अच्छा पौधा निकलना ही है. वेयर इज द फियर? व्हाई इज देयर फियर? Fear is because we know that today some of our karmas are thoda sa. Everyone knows that. Everyone knows that. That we are doing thoda ऊपर नीचे. किसी के लिए थोड़ा सा जेलेसी, किसी के लिए गुस्सा, किसी के लिए इरिटेशन, किसी के लिए तो थोड़ी सी नफरत भी. तो इसे कर्मा क्रिएट करेंगे हम. How will my future be? How will my future be? Same what I am creating now. So stability, what we have been talking for the last 2 days, that come what may, let there be any situation. What's the solution? Stability. Because the minute I am stable, I have just settled the karmic account. But the minute I react, I have just created another karmic account in return to a past negative karmic account. What is happening, unfortunately, our cycle of negative karma is becoming more and more entangled. वो wool नहीं होता, और entangle होता जा रहा है. Why? Situation आ रही है, it's not very pleasant because I've not done something very pleasant. लेकिन जब ये unpleasant situation आ रही है, how am I reacting? How am I reacting? Pain. So now how am I creating the karma? Again unpleasant. Again इसका future क्या होगा? Again unpleasant. So it's becoming a vicious cycle. We will need to now break this cycle. We have to break this cycle, otherwise the pain is getting entangled. And please remember, every soul we meet, every soul with whom we have a relationship, जो बच्चा मेरे घर पैदा हुआ है, आत्मा है. आज किसी घर में कोई बच्चे पैदा होते हैं whom we called special children, and we say सबके घर में बच्चे ठीक है, मेरे घर में ऐसा क्यों? And then we create pain. Let's remember, it's because I have a special account with that soul. And that special soul has come to me now because now I have to settle this account, for which I will have to take care of 2 things. एक तो उसकी बहुत प्यार से पालना करना, सेवा करना, जो हर पेरेंट करता है, no doubt about that. लेकिन सिर्फ एक छोटी सी गड़बड़ है. बाहर से सेवा तो बहुत कर रहे हैं, ध्यान रख रहे हैं, हर चीज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अंदर दर्द में है, चिंता में है, डर में है, दुख में है. मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों? तो अगेन उस आत्मा को हम कौन सी एनर्जी भेज रहे हैं? सेवा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एनर्जी कौन सी भेज रहे हैं? नेगेटिव. Anyways, what happened is because we have a little negative karmic account. But now what should I do to that karmic account? Convert it into an account of purity, positivity and love. Heal externally, but also heal internally. There was this sister in Delhi who came to us. She has 2 children, one 12-year-old boy, one 9-year-old boy. Her 12-year-old boy is a special child. Just can't do anything on his own. Completely dependent. And now her 9-year-old son got bone marrow cancer. Tough situation, isn't it? Isn't it a tough situation? Only 2 children. Now her role, pura din, seva, seva, seva. Whole day she has to be with these 2 children. They demand her whole time, energy and attention. But the only thing she said, now I've changed my perspective. Now I've understood, मैं भी आत्मा, ये भी आत्मा, ये भी आत्मा. दोनों के साथ मेरा कुछ लेन देन था, अभी मुझे बहुत प्यार से इनकी सेवा करनी है ताकि मैं उस लेन देन को, क्वालिटी को क्या कर दूं, पॉजिटिव, रादर देन मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों, मेरे घर में ही ऐसा क्यों. इफ आई एम क्रिएटिंग अ थॉट फॉर अ चाइल्ड, मेरे घर में ऐसा बच्चा क्यों, व्हाट एम आई डूइंग टू द चाइल्ड? इंटरनली आई एम रिजेक्टिंग द चाइल्ड. मेरे घर में ऐसा बच्चा क्यों? एनीथिंग, even simple thing like my child gets 50% marks, my neighbor's child gets 90% marks. मेरे घर में ऐसा बच्चा क्यों, मेरा बच्चा उतना इंटेलिजेंट क्यों नहीं है? What am I doing to the child? Energy of rejection. Energy of rejection. और पड़ोसी का बच्चा तो छोड़ो, अपने ही घर में दो बच्चों के बीच में तुम इसके जैसे क्यों नहीं? Energy of rejection. Be very careful. Karmic accounts. जो एनर्जी किसी भी आत्मा को देंगे, पहले तो देते हुए किसको मिलेगी? When I am giving that energy to you, first who gets it? First I get it. So I get it twice, once like this and once like this. And that's why we are in so much pain. That is why we are in so much pain. And that's why meditation is the tool, because situations will come. This morning we saw that time is cyclic, right? So Satyug, Treta Yug, Dwapar Yug, Kal Yug, where are we now? Ghor Kal Yug. And towards again Satyug. But the whole cycle, we have met so many souls. We have interacted with so many souls. We have created so many karmic accounts. And this is like the last episode of the serial. So what's going to happen in the last episode of the serial? All the stories will have to settle. And that's why very abrupt things are happening with us now. And we say, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों, ऐसा क्यों? Nothing is क्यों क्यों. I have done something of this kind. It's coming to me. Now is the time, settle it. But don't create more pain right now. अब अगर दर्द create किया तो उसको settle भी अभी ही करना पड़ेगा. There is no carry forward now. अभी तक carry forward, carry forward, carry forward किया. But now, no more carry forward. It will have to be done within this span. And that's why it's getting so tough. अभी अभी create कर रहे हैं, अभी अभी settle करना पड़ रहा है. अभी अभी कर रहे हैं, बढ़ता जा रहा है, बढ़ता जा रहा है. So let's be very careful. And meditation, when I connect to the Supreme Power, which we will do more in detail tomorrow morning, I'm able to remain powerful, no question marks, ऐसा क्यों, only solution oriented. Not मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ, but अब मुझे क्या करना है. Solution oriented, and solution को सोचने के लिए stable mind, power to face, and when I'm able to do that, my accounts get settled. The first sign, is my meditation right? The first sign is I will start feeling lighter. Please check yourself every evening when you come home. Are you feeling lighter or are you feeling heavier? जिसका कर्जा उतर रहा होता है, he feels lighter. लेकिन जिसके सर पे कर्जा चढ़ रहा होता है, he feels heavier. So keep checking, keep checking. कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि मेरे सर पे और भी कर्जा चढ़ता जा रहा, चढ़ता जा रहा. कोई भी रिश्ते, don't hold pain, don't hold hatred. There could be some people whom we don't get along well with. This is not the time. We might not be able to be best of friends with everyone. But we don't need to carry bitterness. I may not be best of friends with you, but the other option doesn't mean that I carry bitterness. I could at least just be neutral, so that I'm not sending any negative energy to you. अगर किसी को भी पकड़ कर रखा है यहाँ पर, इसकी वजह से मेरी लाइफ में ये हुआ है, किसी की वजह से नहीं हुआ है. किसकी वजह से हुआ है? मेरी वजह से हुआ, और मैंने ही इसको अब ठीक कर देना है. We saw day before yesterday, no one can create my state of mind. I choose how to create my state of mind. People can do something which is not very nice. Someone can cheat me in business. Someone can cheat me in relationships. Some things can go wrong, but who creates the hurt? Who creates the hurt? I. Do I have the power to now finish it? Do I have the power to now finish it? When I realize I am the creator. अभी तक मैं कहती थी उन्होंने मुझे hurt किया. How many, are there any people in your life जिन्होंने आपको hurt किया है? Do you have a list of few names जिन्होंने आपको hurt किया है life में? Do you have? Yes. Today we tata bye bye to them. Bye bye. Sorry, not to them. Sorry to myself for creating the pain for so long. I met this lady, she had been watching the program for very long, and then she came one day like this in a program. This lady, who's 35 years old now, was abused when she was a 6-year-old girl. She was physically abused by someone. She hated that person and she hated people. She just hated people. She said all people are bad, because as a child, a very big impression had got marked here. She didn't get married. She lives alone. Alone. She doesn't believe in relationships. And most important, deep inside, she was filled with bitterness. She said, सब लोग बुरे हैं. And सब लोग बुरे हैं, सब लोग बुरे हैं, तो मेरे अंदर thought process कैसे हो जाएगी? Bitterness. One day she came for the program, we were talking something similar. We said, people do what they do. Good or bad, no questions. They do what they do. They have a reason for what they are doing. But how much bitterness I have to create here, how much hurt I have to create, that power is with me. So today, let them go. Just let them go. Because they are not creating the hurt. You know something? Those people whom we hold here, they may be perfectly fine in the other place. दर्द किसको हो रहा है? दर्द किसको हो रहा है? हमें. गलती हो सकता है उन्होंने की. दर्द कौन भोग रहा है? दर्द हम भोग रहे हैं. Sit back, talk to yourself. Just by holding them on our mind. कुछ लोग हैं जिनको हम कहते हैं मैं जीवन भर आपसे बात नहीं करूंगा अब. और सारा दिन बात किससे कर रहे होते हैं एक्चुअली? सारा दिन अंदर भी उससे बात कर रहे थे, जो मिलता है उससे भी उनके ही बारे में बात करते हैं. तो एक्चुअली सारा दिन किसके साथ है? तो कार्मिक अकाउंट सेटल नहीं हुआ और भी इंटैंगल होता जा रहा है. So no one can hurt me, let them go. Let's not hold on to situations and people and fill our present with bitterness. किसी ने मुझे बिजनेस में धोखा दिया, मेरे लाखों रुपए ले गया, मेरा बिजनेस ही खत्म हो गया, पास्ट, ओवर. लेकिन अब जो मैं नफरत क्रिएट करूंगा, वो कौन क्रिएट कर रहा है? वो कौन क्रिएट कर रहा है? वो मैं क्रिएट कर रहा हूं. उसने क्या नुकसान किया? पैसों में नुकसान किया. मैं किस चीज का नुकसान कर रहा हूं? मैं अपनी खुशी का, अपनी सेहत का, अपने रिश्तों का. ये सारे नुकसान कौन कर रहा है? मैं कर रहा हूं. आई हैव द पावर नाउ टू चेंज दैट. आई कांट चेंज हिम. आई प्रोबेबली कांट गेट ऑल द मनी बैक, बट आई कैन रिटेन माई happiness. That comes by connecting to the supreme power. Please remember, everything is totally in my control. Let there be any situation, however big. Today in the whole day I met a few people facing really big situations. But the only thing they had to do was shift the perspective, bring it to themselves, see which thought they had to change. Sit and think about how other people should change. Sit for a lifetime. They are not going to change. Change your thought 2 minutes. But now what most of us are saying, but how do I change my thoughts? It's very difficult. They are my thoughts. प्यार से करेंगे, 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 आज नहीं तो कल हो जाएगा. वो मेरे thoughts है. And it's just that meditation and connecting to the supreme power will make the task easier, very easy, because I'll get the power to do that. And secondly, when we are doing our karma, yesterday also we saw everyone is always right. तो होता क्या है कि even if I'm doing a wrong karma, I give myself a justification, I give myself a logic for it, and I say that what I am doing is right. Let's say मुझे आपसे छुट्टी चाहिए ऑफिस में, लेकिन आप गुस्सा करने वाले हैं अगर छुट्टी मांगी, तो I am going to tell a lie. Now, telling a lie, I don't need to go and ask anyone good karma or bad karma. लेकिन what logic do I give myself? वो गुस्सा करते हैं ना, तो इसलिए झूठ तो बोलना ही पड़ता है. And then I keep telling myself, I have no choice. I'm having to do these things because of other people. And because I tell myself I have no choice, I don't think I have done anything wrong. I think whatever I did was because of other people. Do you think you have a choice? Do you think you have a choice? Whether it's a small thing like telling a lie, whether it's a little bigger things to get your work done, lifafa niche se dalwa dena. Do you think you have a choice, or can you say system hi aisa hai, samaj hi aisa hai, we have no choice? What do you think? Do we have a choice? Do we have a choice? Ask yourself, do you have a choice? Yes or no? Yes. You can say this to yourself, I am choosing to do this. But not say, I have no choice, wo apne aap ho raha hai. I met a brother, he was traveling in the train with his family. Ticket nahi tha. It was in the waiting list or whatever. Now to get a confirmed ticket, the TC asked him for a little amount. Okay? This brother gave him the amount. And then sitting, he was seeing, I'm there sitting, and we were so, he tried to justify his actions to me. I didn't ask anything to him. He just said, देखो ना बहन, आराम से सो के तो जाना ही पड़ेगा ना. I said, हाँ. So he's saying, फिर इतना तो करना ही पड़ेगा. I said, I don't know, वो choice है आपका. It's your choice. It's your choice. Prioritize quickly. Sleeping one night, comfortably, at the cost of compromising on my values and principles and willpower. Which is more important? Physical comfort or business deal है, पास करवानी है, जल्दी चाहिए, faster profit चाहिए, लिफाफा दे दिया, क्या गलत किया? पता नहीं. Ask yourself. Ask yourself. You have a choice, but finally when the balance sheet is getting created here, when this balance sheet is getting created here, this karma is definitely not going on this side. And when it comes like this, I say, मैंने तो कुछ गलत किया ही नहीं, क्योंकि जितनी बार भी हम गलत कर रहे थे, हम उसको क्या कह रहे थे? ये सही है, ये सही है, ये सही है, ऐसे सिचुएशन में तो ऐसा करना ही पड़ता है. तो हमने अपने सारे गलत कर्मों को भी कौन सी साइड पर लिख दिया? सही साइड पर लिख दिया. By giving ourselves a logic, by justifying what we were doing, we put it on the positive side, and then at the end of the day we said, balance sheet तो हो ही नहीं रहा ये क्या हो रहा है? All my karmas are positive and all my bhagya is, it's not possible. And then we said, हाँ वो है ना, वो गड़बड़ कर रहा है ऊपर बैठ के. No, someone to blame every time. Every time. So we have to be very careful when we are doing our karma. You're driving, you're taking the car, your little son is sitting with you, galti se red signal cross kar diya. I don't know what the fine is here. Suppose it's 500 rupees. Choice, pay the 500, take your parchi. Other option, put 50 rupees in his pocket, save 400 rupees. Go home and very proudly tell people, पता है क्या, मैं 450 रुपए बचाया. बचाया. Yes, बचाया. लेकिन कहीं और थोड़ा सा खर्चा हो गया. There are two balance sheets. एक बाहर, एक अंदर. Choice is yours. Which one is more important to you? And every time I'm compromising on my internal balance sheet to get profit in my external balance sheet, my willpower is reducing, my happiness is reducing, and then I say, सब कुछ है, खुशी नहीं है. I have everything, but I'm not happy, because somewhere in the process of getting that everything, I had made big compromises here. तो अंदर का बैलेंस शीट क्या हो गया? लेकिन बीच में रुककर अंदर वाले बैलेंस शीट को चेक ही नहीं किया, तो पता ही नहीं चला था अंदर नुकसान होता जा रहा था। विल पावर, every time we compromise on our values and principles, willpower, and every time we stick to our values, even if situation could be tough, very challenging, God gives us a very beautiful slogan here. I love that slogan. Take it back with you today. God says, सच की नाव हिलती है, डुलती है. The boat of truth will rock, tuck, 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 because times are a little challenging. The tide outside is not very much in the favor. The boat of the truth will rock. सच की नाव हिलती है, डुलती है, लेकिन डूबती कभी भी नहीं, कभी भी नहीं. लेकिन जो दूसरी वाली नाव है, क्वेश्चन मार्क. Yes, so don't see short-term things. अरे सच बोलेंगे फटाफट, झूठ बोलेंगे फटाफट काम हो जाएगा, झूठ बोलेंगे जल्दी हो जाएगा, सच बोलेंगे बहुत मुश्किल. वो लिफाफा नहीं दिया, काम अटक जाएगा 1 महीना. लिफाफा दिया, फटाफट हो जाएगा, फैक्ट्री जल्दी शुरू हो जाएगी, बिजनेस फटाफट. कौन रुके? Why to waste time? Because we want profit, profit, profit only outside. Never mind if I have to finish everything inside. That's how our priorities have become. So we need to stop and check. Every time I'm compromising inside, I am creating a karma. Return is going to come. When it comes, don't say, mere saath aisa kyun? Nothing is unjustified. And everything that I am doing, I have a choice. Some people say, मैं जिस ऑफिस में हूँ, my boss is like this. The system is like this. I can't afford to be honest. Then tell yourself, I am choosing corruption and I am ready to face the consequences because this job is important to me. But I am choosing to do it. Not I have no choice. I have a choice. But I'm choosing this, which is okay. But then I should be ready कि इसका consequence आएगा. When it comes, accept, take it. लेकिन दोनों टाइम गड़बड़ हो रहा है. जब कर रहे हैं कहते I don't have a choice, जब सामने से आता है कहते मेरे साथ क्यों. So both the times the equation is not flowing in the right direction. So every time, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a business deal, everything, please remember, I have a choice. I have a choice because at the end of the day, finally, it's only my karmic account. जब यहाँ की बैलेंस शीट प्रिपेयर होगी तो वो नहीं चेक होगा आपका बॉस कौन था, आपकी मदर इन लॉ कौन थी, वो नहीं चेक होगा. वो मेरी बैलेंस शीट होगी सिर्फ, एंड मेरे कार्मिक अकाउंट के अनुसार ही क्रिएट होगी और मुझे ही उसका फेस करना है. And now when these situations are coming, if we want to flow and manage to cross them, first thing we will have to be stable. Yesterday many people said, how can we accept situations? How can we accept people? If they're doing wrong, how can we accept them? Acceptance doesn't mean, ठीक है, आप गलत करो. This is not acceptance. Acceptance just means that first I don't get disturbed. When I become judgmental, when I become critical, I get disturbed. An energy of disturbance cannot bring about transformation. You want to transform yourself or someone else, what would have to be the energy? What would have to be the energy? Positive. Dadi ji, just day before yesterday, she was meeting a group in Bombay. She gave a very beautiful line to them. She said, accept, appreciate, do not reject. So one brother got up and he said, किसी ने गलत किया तो भी appreciate. How can I appreciate? किसी ने मेरे सामने कुछ गलत किया. She said a very beautiful thing to him. She said, वो जो उसने गलत किया, obviously you're not going to appreciate, बहुत अच्छा किया. लेकिन उसके अलावा तो उसके अंदर बहुत सारी विशेषता है ना. उसके अंदर बहुत सारी विशेषताएं हैं, वो उसने एक गलती की है, लेकिन योर रोल इज टू empower him, not to reject him. So you appreciate his qualities, you appreciate his plus points, that will make him powerful, and then you can tell him, you know what, इसके साथ ये एक और भी ऐसा कर लेते तो ऐसा हो जाता. लेकिन हम कहेंगे तुम खराब, तुम गलत, ये गलत, ये गलत, तो उसका सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट क्या हो जाएगा? दिस इज एनर्जी ऑफ रिजेक्शन. सो प्लीज टेक एक्सेप्टेंस इन द राइट सेंस. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड कि एक्सेप्ट मीन्स बच्चे को कुछ नहीं बोलना. बच्चे को बोलना विदाउट गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब्ड. Today I have seen two practical cases where parents have realized that their shouting at the child today has created low self-confidence in the child, and now it's going to be a journey to bring that back. It's quite a journey, it's not magic, ऐसे हो जाएगा 2 दिन में. It will be quite a journey. And to bring the child's self-respect back, first though, the parent, I will have to become very powerful, stable enough to give him unconditional acceptance. अभी तक ये गलत, ऐसे नहीं करो, इधर नहीं बैठो, उधर नहीं बैठो, ये नहीं खाओ, वो whole day we are standing like that. Their self-respect gone down. But now when I get unconditional love, you know what is needed to bring about the self-respect? Unconditional love. अगर कोई गलती करे तो भी उसको प्यार. आज हमें किसी ह्यूमन बीइंग से नहीं मिल पाता वो अनकंडीशनल लव, तो हमें किससे मिलेगा? किससे मिलेगा? किससे मिलेगा? हु इज द ओनली वन हु कैन गिव अस अनकंडीशनल लव? दैट्स व्हाई मेडिटेशन हील्स, बिकॉज देयर आई गेट वन रिलेशनशिप. आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर इट हियर इन पीपल, समवन हु कुड गिव मी अनकंडीशनल लव. Someone who could be non-judgmental about me, someone who would not reject me if I make a mistake, but lifts me like this. सबसे ज़्यादा पेरेंट्स रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं बच्चों को, not with hatred but with fear. अब क्या होगा इसका? Gone. Judgmental. Gone. Self-respect. When I connect to him, he is always stable. Anyone who's stable means he's flowing with unconditional love and respect. And that's why when we meditate, the first thing that happens, our self-respect starts coming up. Self-esteem starts building up. Public opinion. लोग क्या कहेंगे मेरे बारे में? लोग क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में? It doesn't really matter too much now because my self-respect, अभी तक my respect was dependent on others. If you say I'm nice, I'm nice. If you say I'm bad, I'm bad. Because I don't know myself. So I'm dependent on your opinion. And that's why to please you, I'm ready to do anything. Even if it means taking wrong decisions for my children. Today parents are having to take big decisions for their children, whether it's career, whether it's marriage, whether it's whatever. And you know what they're thinking? लोग क्या कहेंगे? लोग क्या सोचेंगे हमने ऐसा किया तो? It's the life of my child. And I'm thinking, लोग क्या कहेंगे? Do you ever create this thought? लोग क्या कहेंगे? Yes or no? Highest cause of stress. Leave that thought here in this hall today. And remember one thing, आप ये करो या वो करो, लोग तो फिर भी बोलने वाले हैं. Yes, yes. Entertainment for everyone around you. They need entertainment. This couple who came to me, they lost their son, 10-year-old. They have 2 daughters. Now it's been 8 months since they lost the son. But there is mourning going on in the house, crying. She said, the mother said to me, my daughter now wants to switch on the television. She wants that the environment of the house needs to change. She wants to go out. She wants to go to the movie. I said, yeah, so it's okay. Take her, go with her. She's saying, अगर मैं जाऊंगी तो लोग क्या कहेंगे? No, it's not funny. We all do this. So I'm not seeing अपने बच्चे को क्या चाहिए. I'm rather seeing लोग क्या कहेंगे. Do you know something? अगर वो अपने बच्चे को ऐसे घर में बंद करेगी तो भी बोलेंगे कैसी माँ है. और अगर वो उसको मूवी के लिए लेके जाएगी तो भी बोलेंगे कैसी माँ है. Either ways doesn't matter. I need to do what me and my immediate people, where they are comfortable. When I am positive and happy, my vibrations will change the vibrations of the log. But if I do things because of public pressure, and I am suffocating inside, I am unhappy inside, those people will also never be happy with me because I'm never sending them the right energy. So लोग क्या कहेंगे नहीं, मैं क्या सोचता हूँ, मेरा परिवार क्या सोचता है, and what is most important for our happiness. Let's create the right thoughts, the right karma. Life will become very, 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 very simple. Let's not make it complicated. It already has quite complex issues. Already has. Let's make it simple and simple and simple. We are having the Raj Yoga meditation course at all our centers. Sister will now tell us the centers. There are quite a few centers in the whole town. Every center will have the Raj Yoga meditation course. Morning also 6:30 to 7:30, evening also 6:30 to 7:30. Choose one of the times. Not like how we've been doing here for 3 days, morning and evening. Either morning or evening for 5 days. Enough of living in pain. All the questions that you have sent and all the questions that you have come and asked, whether it's fear, whether it's insecurity, whether it's lack of concentration, whether it is I can't change my thoughts, it's all the sign that I am weak, I need to become strong. Meditation is the technique. Every problem has one solution: strengthen myself. Strengthen myself. So let's do that. So Tuesday, we will begin the Raj Yoga meditation course at every center. Just 5 days. Morning and evening, choose one time. And by chance, morning or evening, none of the time suitable, talk to the sister, fix another time. Fix another time. Suppose this Tuesday to Saturday not suitable, fix another date. But don't miss this opportunity. How many of you watch the television program on Astha? Good, that's why you're here. Now, do you like the program? Yes, that's why you're here. Now, if the program is good, what's the program about? It's the Gyan. It's the knowledge which we're receiving from the Supreme Power. But you know what? The program is just a trailer. It's the trailer of the movie. Every one of you has been watching only the trailer of the beautiful movie. But if we like the trailer of the movie, what do? ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है, ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है, ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है, तो फिर क्या करते हैं? मूवी देखते हैं. That is that 5-day Raj Yoga meditation course. Don't be happy just with the trailer बहुत अच्छा है. That's just this tip. It's just the tip that we have seen of the iceberg. There's so much knowledge. And most important, there's so much power which will help me to inculcate that knowledge, which will help me to bring about that transformation in my practical life. So 5 days, 1 hour every day, just 5 hours. Just 5 hours, the time that we would spend to go and watch a Hindi movie. Yes, and come back with nothing. And here we could come back with our life changed. So I'll request sister, she will tell us the address of the centers. Choose any center near you and do this 5-day course. One brother sent a question. It's a little personal, but I'm going to tell. The question was to me. And he says it's very easy for you to stand there and say all these things because you're not in family. You're not married. Would you have been able to do all these things if you were married? Secret is, I'm married. Now what? Now what? And not me. 9 lakh families, all married. All married, all doing business, all having children, all taking care of their roles and responsibilities, only taking out half an hour to work on themselves. Not run away from responsibility, not run away from their houses. We are all living in the house with the parents, with the in-laws, with the husband, with the children, whoever is in the family, running our business, doing our jobs. But half an hour. एक्सरसाइज सिर्फ आधा घंटा करनी होती है, 24 घंटा नहीं करनी होती है सारा दिन घर बार छोड़कर. Exercise, it's like a morning walk, half an hour of morning walk Body will be always healthy. Half an hour of soul empowerment, exercise for the soul, soul will be healthy. Relationships will become better. Spirituality में जाने से, ब्रह्मा कुमारीज के पास जाने से रिश्ते टूट जाते हैं. If I start working on myself, become powerful, accept other people, रिश्ते जुड़ जाते हैं. Everything that's been shared on this platform, it comes from experience. It's come after trying and testing it in family. After trying and tested every formula, nothing is coming from thin air, because it's a tried and tested formula. And tried and tested in family, tried and tested in business, tried and tested in a large gathering with a lot of people. And because it's a tried and tested formula, you take the formula, you use it, it works. Simple. So everyone here is in family, just like you. Very busy, so-called busy. But have realized that we need to work on ourselves. If 9 lakh people can do it, can we do it? If 9 lakh people can do it, can we do it? Yes. So bye-bye to pain now. Happiness, peace and love is going to become my nature. Every day and every moment.